A new competitor for the iPhone was revealed today as Amazon took to Seattle to announce the Amazon Fire Phone. The results of 4 years of research and development, the Fire Phone leads as the first phone ever to be produced by the company. Founder and chief executive Jeff Bezos took to the stage introducing a black phone, revealing its 4.7-inch screen, 13 megapixel camera, and quad-core 2.2 GHz processor. Now, Apple fans can keep in mind though, while the iPhone is currently 4.1 inches, the rumored iPhone 6 is alleged to have a bigger 5.5-inch model to go alongside a 4.7-inch one as well. Amazon's keynote sent jabs at the iPhone's current 8 megapixel camera, but made even bigger stresses on new features called Firefly and Dynamic Perspective. Basically, what can be interpreted as the major selling points for this device: Firefly is a beefed up recognition system for the phone, and Dynamic Perspective is the ability to view images in 3D without glasses.
We call this Dynamic Perspective.
Gimmicks to some, or well, actually a lot of people. Even so, this gives the Fire Phone the built-in ability to scan for QR codes, recognize everyday products, and feed every online shopper's dream. While Dynamic Perspective uses 4 front-facing cameras to allow you to control your phone with hands-free movement. But hey, you can even do it in the dark. An AT&T exclusive device now available for pre-order. Interested customers may want to keep in mind of Amazon's minuscule app store, the carrier exclusivity, and the sheer fact that it's Amazon's first step into the mobile phone market. There's gonna be first generation issues. Even so, you can check out more on the new Fire Phone and other news on ColtonMac.com. Thanks for watching this episode of Colt Consults on the Amazon Fire Phone. But we want to know, what do you think about this new phone? Let us know on Twitter or in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to see more awesome videos like this and others posted 7 days a week. This has been Joshua Smith of ColtonMac.com.